Open source intelligence, OSINT, has evolved into one of the most powerful tools for cybersecurity professionals, investigators, journalists, and ethical hackers, enabling them to collect, analyze, and leverage publicly available data for security assessments, threat intelligence, and digital forensics. In 2025, OSINT techniques have become more advanced due to AI-driven automation, decentralized data sources, and increasingly sophisticated privacy controls, requiring updated methodologies to extract valuable intelligence efficiently and ethically. The first step in modern OSINT is identifying data sources, which now extend beyond traditional search engines and social media to include decentralized platforms, blockchain-based records, IoT device leaks, and AI-generated content repositories. Google dorking, using advanced search operators like cite, file type, and in title, remains foundational. But next-gen tools like Maltego Spiderfoot and Reconnaissance automate data aggregation across forums, public databases, and dark web archives while mapping relationships between entities. Social media intelligence, or SOCMINT, now incorporates AI-powered sentiment analysis and deepfake detection to verify authenticity. Platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Telegram continue to be goldmines for profiling individuals and organizations. For email and username reconnaissance, tools like hunter.io, phonebook.cz, and Epios help uncover associated accounts, breached credentials, and metadata from leaked databases. AI-enhanced platforms like Sherlock and Maigret scan hundreds of sites for reused handles, exposing digital footprints. Geospatial intelligence, or GeoInt, leverages Google Earth Engine Sentinel Hub and drone imagery archives to track physical locations. Wiggle and Apple AirTag datasets reveal device movements. Corporate OSINT relies on LinkedIn Sales Navigator Crunchbase and Edgar SEC filings to map organizational structures, employee roles, and potential attack surfaces. The dark web. It's a mysterious place, accessible via Tor or I2P. To navigate it effectively, specialized search engines like Amia and Dark Search are essential. And of course, forum monitoring tools such as DarkOwl and Keela play a crucial role in tracking cybercriminal chatter, leaked credentials, and emerging threats. In the year 2025, automation is more vital than ever. Python scripts using Tweepy for Twitter, Instaloader for Instagram, and Beautiful Soup for web scraping have become indispensable for streamlining data collection. Plus, GPT-5-powered analysis tools are now summarizing findings and predicting trends with remarkable accuracy. But let's not forget about the ethical and legal boundaries that are stricter than ever. Regulations like GDPR and CCPA, along with evolving cyber laws, mandate responsible data handling. This means using anonymization techniques and ensuring there's documented justification for every investigation. Looking ahead, the future of OSINT is truly fascinating. It lies in AI-curated intelligence, blockchain transparency tools, and adversarial validation to counter misinformation. These advancements are making OSINT an indispensable skill for cybersecurity professionals who are navigating an increasingly data-driven world.